Hello student, today we are doing very important theorem of measure theory. Theorem is every subset of E is measurable if outer measure of E is 0. Okay. Theorem is every subset of E is measurable if outer measure of E is 0. Okay. Proof of this theorem is let F be any subset of E. Let we have taken F, which is subset of E, where it is given outer measure of E is 0 and F is the subset of E and outer measure of E is 0. So we know that F is subset of E, then outer measure of F will be less than equal to outer measure of E. Okay. And outer measure of F, and here given is outer measure of E is 0, then we can see outer measure of F is less than equal to 0. Equation 1. Okay. Equation 1. Now we know that we know that outer measure is always greater than equal to 0. Here we can see then domain of when we find outer measure, then domain is power set of R and range is extended real number, and outer measure is always 0 greater than or equal to 0. Okay, it is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, we can see that measure from equation 1 we can see outer measure of F is less than equal to 0, and from equation 2 we can see outer measure of F is always greater than equal to 0. So from 1 and 2 we can conclude outer measure of F is 0. Okay, this theorem is proof. The statement of theorem is every subset of E is measurable if outer measure of E is 0. Okay, it is given, then outer measure of E is 0, then every subset of E is measurable. We want to prove every subset of E is measurable if outer measure of E is 0. So here we assume a subset F, which is subset of E, and here given is outer measure of E is 0. Then F is subset of E, then outer measure of F is less than equal to outer measure of E, and we know that outer measure is always greater than equal to 0. From 1 and 2 we conclude that outer measure of F is 0, outer measure of E is also 0, and outer measure of F is 0. This implies that F is measurable. Okay, thank you very much. If you like this video, subscribe channel and share to your friend also. Thank you.